The Lusha Chrome extension is a powerful tool for finding accurate contact information directly from websites like LinkedIn, Salesforce, or company sites. Here's how to use it effectively. Install the extension. Visit the Chrome Web Store and search for Lusha. Click Add to Chrome and confirm by selecting Add Extension. Sign in or create an account. Once installed, click the Lusha icon in your browser toolbar. Sign in with your existing Lusha credentials or create a new account. Navigate to a profile. Open LinkedIn or any supported platform and visit the profile of a person or company you want to learn more about. Activate the extension. Click the Lusha icon while on the profile page. Lusha will display contact details such as email addresses, phone numbers, and company information. Save or export data. Use Lusha's credits to unlock specific contact details. Save the data directly to your Lusha account or export it to your CRM for further action. Use in other workflows. Lusha integrates with tools like Salesforce and HubSpot, making it easy to enrich and sync leads.